Seeing EGS files in your Epic Games installation directory? These are data files managed by the Epic Games Store platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Epic Games Store files are and how they relate to your game library. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful EGS troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. EGS files are data files associated with the Epic Games Store, the digital game distribution platform by Epic Games. They contain game installation, metadata, manifest data cache information, and launcher configuration settings used by the Epic Games Launcher to manage game downloads, updates, and library organization. Epic Games Store. Data files use various proprietary formats, storing game manifest information, including file lists, chunk hashes, installation paths, version identifiers, and download state data. The files support the Epic Games Launcher's game management system for installation, verification, and update operations. For full editing functionality, EGS requires Epic Games Launcher, which is supplied by Epic Games Inc. This file contains executable code that Windows often blocks or quarantines by default. Windows cannot parse game-specific formats, so handling these files requires engine tools. Let's utilize the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your EGS file, then click Open With. Test Epic Games Launcher if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. If you still can't open the EGS file, it's okay. Failure of the main program tells us the EGS error is systemic. Let's not waste time. Here are 3 essential steps to troubleshoot the file right now. First, understanding EGS files. EGS files are managed internally by the Epic Games Launcher and do not need to be opened or edited manually. They reside in the Epic Games installation directories and support game installation, verification, patching, and library management. The launcher handles all file operations automatically during game downloads and updates. Next, verifying game files. If you experience game issues, open the Epic Games Launcher, navigate to your library, and click the 3 dots next to the affected game. Select Verify to have the launcher check all game files against the manifest and re-download any corrupted or missing files. This process resolves most installation-related game problems. Finally, managing game installations. Use the Epic Games Launcher to manage all game installations, including moving games to different drives or uninstalling titles. Access settings, then installation options to change default install locations. The launcher updates EGS metadata automatically when you modify your game library configuration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.